This is a quick tutorial on how I get a beautiful rolled hem using my serger. I love rolled hems on flutters and ruffles because it essentially adds no weight to the hem, keeping it nice and flowy. The first step is going to be to remove the left needle and the left needle thread. Once you have that out, then you're going to want to disengage your stitch finger and narrow your cutting width. My machine goes to 1. For the stitch length, I change it to 1. The differential feed I change to N. The lower looper I set between 7 and 9. And then for the upper looper, I like to use woolly nylon thread, and I change it between 3 and 4. My biggest tip is going to be to do several practices on scrap fabric, the same fabric that you're going to be doing your hem on. So if you need to adjust anything, then you can, since different fabrics behave differently. Then you just run your piece through the serger. Depending on the hem allowance, you may be cutting some off. And that's it. If this was a knit fabric and you added a little tension pulling it through, then it would create the lettuce hem, which is the wavy rolled hem. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below and I will try to answer them. There it is, a beautiful rolled hem.